Shiva, what a surprise.
Alia, how are you?
Yeah, I am fine. How are you?
Good, good. What about Mackenzie?
Yeah, she is good.
Nice. How was my wonderful America?
Fantastic Shiva. After the arrival of Kamala Harris, your America is developing well. As a vice president, she is enhancing the America continuously.
Wow, that's how the Tamilian blitz works, Alia. No matter where we are, Tamilians will be unique everywhere.
Oh, Kamala Harris belongs to India?
சரியா போச்சு. இது கூட தெரியாமல 20 வருஷமா அமெரிக்காவுல இருக்கற நீ?
What Shiva?
My god. Don't you know that Alia? Kamala Harris' parents belongs to Tamil Nadu, Mannarkudi, Chennai. They were pure Tamilians.
Amazing Shiva. We feel majestic to have Tamilian as our vice president.
That's great. Now, I wish to share a happy news with you, Alia.
Wow dear. What's that?
Fine. It's all about my next literature cafes project, Alia. I would like to connect you as a collaboration. The name is Project Lecture.
Really, it's thundering to hear Shiva. Can't wait.
As per my beloved professors and HOD's advice, with your collaboration, I would like to do this lecture project fully in English.
Wow, fabulous idea Shiva.
How do you feel, Alia?
First of all, no words to describe this happiness. I feel very lucky and proud to be a part of your upcoming project Shiva.
Oh, come on Alia, it's our project.
Sounds good Shiva. Don't worry, as per your wish, let's do it fantastically and provide effective lectures to students. And what about the platform Shiva?
Hey, the platform is YouTube. That's our literature cafe, Alia.
Wow, is this a dream? I can't believe this. Such a great and golden opportunity for me Shiva. Thank you very very much. I feel blessed and majestic to work in our literature cafe.
Hey 420, you are stealing my dialogues and telling to me itself. Really, I feel very proud to welcome you. Your contribution is like a recognition for my literature cafe.
So kind of you Shiva. I will give my fullest in this project. Let's complete it beautifully Shiva.
Okay, we'll send you all the further details Alia.
Our first lecture's topic is going to be On Saying Please from Sunbeam's book. It's a foundational English, Alia.
Oh well, that's our A.G. Gardner's prose, right?
Of course, you're right, Alia.
Sure, waiting Shiva.
That's nice Alia. Let me call you back after preparing the details.
Yeah, that's good.
Bye dear, take care.
You too Shiva. See you.